Hello. So usually you watch me do a lot of redstone, and I mean a lot of redstone. So today I take a break from redstone and we're gonna do some building. Now let's see what we got here. So we got some parrots. They dance while hanging. It looks cool, but it's not the greatest thing here. We also got a furnace design powered by a blaze, operated by a villager, smelting a lot of iron. But this is not that great either. We got a bunch of more things like this zoglin eating bamboo or something. This looks cool, but yeah, this is not the best thing either. The best part is this: a Vindicator chopping wood. Now, right now it's sitting, so the animation does not look very cool, but when I let it stand, it will look extremely nice. So now let's show you how to build this thing. So first you need to grab logs, pistons, stairs, armor stand, a Vindicator, and a name tag called Johnny. Now place two logs, an armor stand, two more logs, two pistons facing into the logs, and then you need to power these pistons. So yeah, there you go. Now you can break the pistons, break the redstone, and break these two logs. And now you have an armor stand slightly popping out of the log. Break the top log, and now you can get a Vindicator and name it Johnny. Why isn't it working? Oh wait, did I mess up the spelling again? Okay, so let me fix it. And there you go. Now we have the correct spelling for Johnny. So when you spawn in the Vindicator and you name it Johnny, it will take a while to get in the right position, but it will eventually get in the right position. And when it does, the animation will look absolutely sick. Look at him attacking. It almost looks like he's chopping wood. So now the next thing you have to do is you can either let him just be like this, and he will always attack the armor stand and not the players nearby. But if you feel like there's a risk, I will show you how to fix that. So for now, you just need to push a log from the top, and yeah, it will hide the armor stand, and he will continue to do the attack animation. But if you fear that for some reason maybe the armor stand breaks and he will escape and start attacking people, then you can do this. So you need to grab rail and minecart. Place two rails like this. Add a minecart. Push him. Then you need to break the rails. For breaking this rail, you have to go one block down. Then you can see as soon as he gets close, eventually he will stop attacking, and I will show you how to fix that. So to fix that, you need to break the log again. He will start doing the attacks again. Now you can't have a log when he's sitting. So I will show you how to do that, but before that, if you want to make a cool looking bench, you just need to add blocks on the sides here, a stair with a piston on back, and you need to push the stair, and then you can add stairs on the sides, and it will make a cool looking bench. And now coming to the part where you have to keep it working but also hide the armor stand. So for that you have to place a stair, then a log above, and then you just need to push it down. So for that I need a piston facing downwards, just like this, and then I can power this. And there you go. Now it's a safe Vindicator. I mean, it won't go out and attack you now because it is stuck in the minecart. And yeah. So yeah, for the Zoglin part, you just need an armor stand and a Zoglin, and it will set it up itself, and then you can build around anything to make it look fancy. And for the parrots part, it's quite easy. Just get a name tag called Dinnerbone, a music disc, a jukebox, and some parrots. So as soon as you get a parrot, you have to name it Dinnerbone, and you need to tame it, and then you can just have a jukebox and add a music disc, and they will start dancing. And you can have these inverted stairs to make it look like they're hanging. And yeah, that's it. And for the furnace, it's just campfire, blaze, and some decent amount of building, not really anything too complicated. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, join my Discord server, and yeah, I guess that's it for today. So see you next time.